As soon as he grabs, he's grabbing me and punching. So that's what I can do. I can take that from here and go here. We go from this side over here, same thing. I'm basically taking both of my hands and putting them into his face. He's grabbing me to punch me and he expects me to do nothing. So as soon as I do that, I see that I'm in on him. I can step on his foot, I can push him over. Doesn't matter what I do, but I can just take his space away. As soon as he grabs me and wants to do something, from here, swing the arm down, got the arm bar. No problem at all. Okay? So, and I do the same thing to him. If I'm grabbing him, like this to punch, right there, pop it on, whatever he wants to do. So a good thing to do to practice this is he's just going to grab my arm. Let's go from this side so you can see it. He's going to grab my arm and I'm just going to take it up and put it in his face. So I'm going to, how can I break out of that? This way. It's a little hard to break out, but I can break it out this way. I can almost go straight to his face. If I want to, I can turn it and go into his face. And then I'll grab him. And I'll go into my face and just take that hand straight in there. Right to the face. Now, usually when I do something like that to the face, I'm going to take space away from him. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to take space away from him and put two hands on the side of his face. Take it easy. Take two hands and put them right to the side of his face. Take two hands, put them to the side of his face. I grab him. So if I take him, and he's got me going backwards, and now I'm off balance. And I always want to fight my guy off balance. Right? If I fight him off balance, and I'm here, I'm concerned about getting my balance back, not fighting him. So he just took the fight out of my game. To do whatever else he wants to do. I'm open in the groin. If he wants to put an arm bar on, he goes here, does whatever he wants to do. So now that we've done that a number of times, he's grabbed me, and I've come straight there. Now he grabs me and he throws a punch. I'm doing the same thing. So I just take that as he throws the punch, I'm doing the same thing. He's just closed. I just took all his weapons away. He goes, if he throws directly to my face, I'm going like a V right up to him, just like this. If he's got me from this side here, and he grabs me, V. If I grab him, can I punch him? It's right there. Now if he walks right through me, so I'm off. As soon as he does that, I grab. So as soon as he grabs me to punch, I'm into him. As soon as I grab him and punch, I'm into him. He's into me. As soon as he grabs me to punch, from this angle, I'm here. Now from here, I swing his arm down and I have arm bar. Arm bar. Break it. Whatever I want to do with that. As soon as I come into him, same thing. I grab to punch. He's got arm bar. He wants to do that, break 19 different ways if you want. Collapse the throat. Take it that easy when you're working with your partner. You can only collapse your partner's throat once. Right? Then you won't want to work with it anymore. So just remember on this, what he's doing with one hand and he's punching that, I'm just taking those straight in. Okay? So he's grabbing. As soon as he grabs, as soon as I grab, because that punch is coming right away. So as soon as I grab, boom, 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 and go. As soon as he grabs, right there. So practice that, have fun with that. Thanks.